Here we have the neck facings, 2 yards of ostrich feathers and the pocket pieces. Place the facing stabilized with interfacing on the neckline. Sew round the curve by 0.5 inch. Make multiple notches along the seam line. Bend the seam allowance on the facing fabric. Top stitch from one neck width to the other. Lay it in position. See the stitch line on the facing fabric. Come in with the front piece. Lay the facing on the neckline. With a hemming gum, sew the neckline curve first by 0.5 inch. Then sew the other neckline curve by 0.5 inch. Then the neck slits, sew along by 0.5 inch. At the V point, insert the needle, turn the fabric, continue stitching by 0.5 inch. Make notches along the neckline curve. Snip the seam allowances at the corners. Turn the neckline inside out, and here's how the neckline will look afterwards. Next, go ahead to overlock the raw ends of the facing. Place the pocket piece on the side, 9 inches from the chest line. Sew it down by 0.5 inch. Lay the pocket on the other side and sew by 0.5 inch as well. Repeat same process on the back piece of the dress, then overlock the raw edges. With the hemming gum sandwiched, flat iron the neckline. Place the fusible web also beneath the facing fabric at the hem. Press to seal the facing down. On the right side, see how flattened and seamless the neckline is. Next, join the shoulder, lay the back shoulder on the front. Cover the seams with the facing of the back piece. Match up the edges and sew by 0.5 inch. Turn and see the seams well enclosed on the wrong and right side. Repeat same process of joining the shoulder on the other side. With the shoulders done, hem the back facing down in place. To the sleeve, the width of the hem is 14 inches on fold. The length of the side was extended by 3 inches and curved to the center fold. The sleeve's length is 24 inches. The upper arm 10 inches on fold. Notch the top center of the sleeve. Lay the notch on the shoulder tip. Join from the middle by 0.5 inch and continue from the middle to the other armhole. Overlock the hem of the sleeve to be folded by 0.5 inch. With the hem overlocked, the armhole joining the side of the dress, round the pockets all the way to the full length and the hem of the dress. Fold the sleeve by ½ inch. Do same on the other sleeve. Sew the side seams of the sleeve by 0.5 inch across the armhole, the sides, round the pocket. Back to the side, ensure the starting point after the pocket aligns. Continue sewing by 0.5 inch all the way to few inches before the hem. Fold the hem before closing the sides all the way. Folding the hem now by 0.75 inch from one end to the other. Fold the other hem matching up with the just folded one. When done, sew the side seam completely. Add details to the neckline. Here a chain-like accessory is used. With a glue gun, attach the chain along the neckline. To the sleeve's hem, attach the ostrich feathers from the wrong side of the sleeve's hem, applying sufficient candle glue on the area. Press the ostrich feathers flat in position from one side seam to the other, and this project is complete. If this tutorial was helpful, please drop a comment, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more videos. Bye.